Hello, Chef David Rose, Omaha Steaks Executive Chef. You know, the company with the delicious steaks. Ever since the beginning of time, man hunted for meat. Man made fire. Man put meat on fire.
And so, caveman-style was born. We're starting things out right with Omaha Steaks perfectly marbled 48-ounce king cut ribeye, seasoned with heavy kosher salt and black pepper on all 4 sides. Get the ribeye on the big green egg at 250 degrees indirect heat. The ribeye is a big cut of meat, and we want the inside to finish cooking the same time the outside does, for that perfect edge-to-edge pink doneness. Cook your ribeyes until they're 10 degrees below their target temperature. Crank the big green egg up to 550 and put it right on the coals. And get a nice hard sear on all 4 sides of the ribeye. Take the ribeye off the egg, add a little butter on top, cover with aluminum foil, and let rest for 8 to 10 minutes. The ribeye cap's the most tender, so I like to remove that first. I remove the ribeye steak from the bone. I slice the ribeye in 1/2-inch medallions. Then I slice up that tender ribeye cap. And reassemble the steak along the bone.
What?
Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher.